Hi, I'm Alex Masichev of Antvillion, the developers of DITAToo DITA CMS. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how DITAToo Virtual Drive lets different members of your team work together. Let's suppose that our content process involves technical writers and graphic designers. Technical writers create and update content using a DITA editor, while designers create and update images using an image editing tool. So both of them need to have access to the central content repository. Technical writers use full DITAToo because they need to manage content, but designers don't really need a full DITAToo. They just want to be able to access the central repository and add or update images there so that technical writers will be able to insert these images into documentation, so designers can use DITAToo Virtual Drive. The technical writer uses DITAToo to open a topic stored in the DITAToo database-driven central repository. The topic is opened in the DITA editor that I specified as my default editor. In this particular case, it's Oxygen, but because DITAToo is DITA editor agnostic, it can be anything. This topic includes an image which is stored in the repository, in the graphics folder. Here it goes. Now let's assume that this image needs to be updated. Updating images is the responsibility of the graphic designer. So we're now going to the designer's computer. The designer doesn't have to have full DITAToo. Instead, the designer has DITAToo Virtual Drive, which is a tiny but very sophisticated program that runs in the background and makes Windows applications to treat the central DITAToo repository as another drive. On the designer's computer, the DITAToo repository appears as drive F. As you can see, it's exactly the same repository and files that were available to the technical writer from DITAToo. So the designer runs Paint and opens the image stored in the DITAToo repository as if it was stored on a local drive. This drive F represents our central repository. The designer now updates the image. And saves it. The virtual drive prompts the designer to check out the file to make the modifications. While the file is checked out, no one else is allowed to change it. This is very important when you work in a team and you don't want to override each other's changes. When the designer finished the work, the image file can be checked in to the repository. The designer can do it directly from Windows Explorer. DITAToo Virtual Drive integrates with Windows Explorer, so the designer right-clicks on the file and selects Check In from the DITAToo menu. The designer can provide some comments about the changes done. We can go back to the technical writer's computer to see what's changed. The technical writer uses DITAToo again to access the repository and open the topic. As you can see, the updated image is now displayed in the topic. The technical writer can also see the version history of the updated image, so the writer can see the comments written by the designer. The designer's username is also displayed, so the technical writer always knows who did each change. You've just seen how DITAToo Virtual Drive allows different people with different roles access the central repository using different tools. Technical writers who need all content management capabilities use DITAToo, while designers who have very specific goals use the virtual drive. You can find more videos about DITAToo Data CMS on our website intwillion.com. And please don't hesitate to contact us for more information. Also, we'll be happy to see you in our community in LinkedIn, where we discuss both DITAToo related topics and general data issues. Thank you.